Hello, my brothers or sisters CNCer. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and this little short Saturday video is asking for a little bit of help. I've been sitting here having a cup of coffee, watching a couple CNC videos, and talking to my grandson here, and I've come to find something out that you can help with. Now, you know who Mark Lindsay is. He teaches like I do on YouTube. He uses the Gatton CNC machine. And the Gatton CNC machine is designed by a guy named Dave Gatton. It's a DIY machine. Well, Dave Gatton has had a heart attack and triple bypass surgery or something like that. And so he needs to heal. But Dave has a medical bill now that he doesn't need. And because of that, a fundraiser has been set up for him to help him with that. So I've donated $400 to his bill, and now I'm going to ask you to help too. That's just what we do. I mean, every time you make a purchase through IDC, some of that money gets donated to something, and right now it's getting donated to Dave Gatton. Next week I'm putting another $600 in there. So I think he's at about $5K now, so it's about $5K left on that bill. I think between you and I, we can get this knocked out within 2 days. If you would, take a second. Down in the description box is the one link. And that link is to Dave's GoFundMe site, so you can make a donation of some sort to help him out. So that's about it. We got a brother in need. Let's help him out. I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. And I'll talk to you very shortly.